انتهى تلندنا ما مفهوم بانسا يا ديستمارا ونا تلابنا ما تمني لابنا ما زون كل ما ترانا يا الحمد لله تبع ناون بام ni own check out you know 2001 to 2021 Challenge stress, even your voice man, and I really lose that by she to continue to interact with you. And then Alhamdulillah for the year 2021 and Barama. We are now in 2022. That's a time now we know not to Katare and then Kache ka you know ka denye to breakthrough year. Kache ka you know ma tisa sana mani ya suma share na won palele nzantete. Ka zuti ka largati ka city minute la mazasa nyebruwala na alafi and then bangbalage within yama na onzo manambo tankana antanang yele review channel wozo but then before katakana antanang lala tana kon wishida RIP rest in peace to Tamale boy SKY Queen Nura and table anta bandanye artist shaba banda malage in 2021 in cham balama kabayi kabade kabatwansi na tatamla now no board basham and abara now on chele betale bet 2022 the surome now the chika industry player media personality artist fan be anyone at all one of us at all to dwell in match now check out top channel that it come 2023 with each other again. That's right. Happy New Year, you all. Happy New Year, you all. So now I'm 2022. Here we are, and then to start the year with Beba Pray Israel concert. That was Swahma and Sabara. First day of January. Beba Pray Israel Sanjala for Suwayina. It's a very beautiful and successful Lions in concert in Barama. And then the Sajam Yalanga. Tenta more details about it in our next video. But now, until cannot let Uncle Yubukum Unkuna Yalamaya Yala de Yelse. Katamara Bansi Bukum. Come you not in me up per got a fella shell Bukum zo. Being check a video more. Yeah. Beba pre tuli. Actually, on wumle me, near wumle. On wumle la beba pre farlan santule. Farlan di donze entable Macasio and also Wistia. When yelene on Voshabe Baina. Ante yam perage. Yalla first 3 months of 2022 Zanta Taba. There you know, Banangabe. 2021 na bit memorable alhamdulillah. So now ni wumle tule nsaha amba wisha mune nyene mfoso announce officially ni match mune kamza sarabe bokum boxing program ma pune fancy gadan one don concert mbarama mbana wisha ndatuna wishina kabeba pre fanlana tuna terabe bokum. And then Beba Provincial Naraduna Ntule ni angumle mbalama ura announce ya ni now is antinya Vilizam Page March 2022 no nti Ali Mama Sports Stadium but kind of the date Omira yella lama kayella dat ni umalla amle ya no nang Ali Mama Sports Stadium announce les fans ma kada gbantanga mbalamba nebetim solo nteyina ante tapson mbide belengoma so officially tenjia sa shelongo date mapa announce ya karawora the 12th of March 2022 Beba Provincial when yelene involso wen nang o superstars concert at the Tamale Sports Stadium Ali Mama Sports Stadium tazani Michele Mpabalama ka onye involso wen nang Bangay monkey da yinati tapso. Da cannot let and da we bukumukuna nebia. We shall da lam media personalities ne industry players. Kat lam into Jene King David and Barama and Tikanuka song tabe ideas. The Kwananka programma. Karachamve Yalaga. Kalala particular superstars concert moma. Ka Denyebe superstar concert moma. Karanyala. We shall Yirmana to auto release yella. Kari will bonus superstar. When you're superstar this time around. So la yil long ma superstar ma don't ko yeza non concert ma kapi le bolle the superstar concert. So officially 12th day of March, you all should watch out for that one. Second one shall nada Daniela Beba per Falane on the Bukum night, 25th of December 2021, announced on stage or announced on the stage. So, no Bukum mono piaramana Bukum mo in March. No Jana Antenang or concert at the Bukum Boxing Arena. I can feel it when Falan announced it to the people. I can feel the excitement, the delightfulness, the gladness, and also the happiness of the fan base cheering, telling everybody that they are super ready for match. They are super ready to host Beba Pere Falan at the Bukum Boxing Arena. So then they announce it. Odaba announce it dapsele. Odaku yelman the match noon Bukum. So I cannot tell the world minas as a tenacia sashelo. Beba per Falani match on P Bukum Boxing Arena. Tonkuna 2 days later. Beba Pramakasio could be human and test up social media timelines or their handles or Sheriff Abdelmajid. Na Accra. In fact, the crowds were plenty millions of Accra. Got to be me what he's up to. But follow you can analyze that. Tramine he's trying to send out a message to our fan base. No Okana Ankara. The next day, ka oyina ne kava, karawura, ne February, ombe Bukum Boxing Arena. Makasio announced ne February ombe Bukum Boxing Arena. Forget him, but I don't want to stress and me. That's right. So now, on announced that the next day officially. Depa announced that 12th of February, 2 weeks into February, Beba Premakasio, when Yellen Invoso, when Yembe Bukum Boxing Arena, with the King's concert officially. So you all in Accra, you all in Tamale, you all in Tejima, you all in Sunyani, you all in Kumasi, Agbuglushi, Tema, and then Ashama, Malaya Shile. The king is coming on the 12th of February to the Bukum Boxing Arena. Dayi mi yana kata tapson to zasa daya yina. Tankana ni mane nti apiana dama puni nye chenda ni yanchangsha. But then Dinyanga tanda kuna yibukum kuna. Trahe them straight to support Iva at the Wale Sports Stadium. On La Nightima on stage, the Donzi announced to our fan base, especially in the Northeast region, ni onyeleni mvoso na match onyeleni mvoso mumbai and people. Kavego then can down away from the Donzi that Udana won the match in it, Beba per Farland Pierbuku. The next day, ko day table and Farlanga announced the match no Jobukum. Got the Donzi yina and announcing the 26th of March on Bebukum. Sorry guys. So now the way on the 26th, Beba prayed the striker the Donzi and Rule Dawn concert the Kanmana Bukum Boxing Arena. Karagbaza such and break it down for you. And Rule Dawn concert woman yala. Striker the Donzi bone low man now Rule Dawn. Then so Oyena officially with an EP Kapi Rule Boile now Rule Dawn EP. To la and Rule Dawn EP man. Don't go yan Zanang and Rule Dawn concert at the Bukum Boxing Arena on the 26th of March. Ladies and gentlemen, then the Amphiphia analysis map for the Biada, Lay and Chalatama Pamta, commenter Kazanga views and tete. Then Nanka Beba Pre striker the Donzi to Leba, then Nanka Wisja in the 12th of March on Bay Alumama Sports Stadium Tamale. Kamakasu in February 12th. umbe Bokum Boxing Arena. Ka Falan yina ne match umbe Bokum Boxing Arena. Trana lehre makara man la shu na ma ya nan pa ka tappa don to mala effect because anye yina ban watch ka kyar shu na mama arziki ki ma pialle me mini ya mi ni economy ma na mi ya pam chi ka ti chi jire Loyal Foundation bene ya chi be sha bene ya benam war na ba ki or pani on so wonde to na ma ka shu to ma denye Bokum la zo or maybe on to that take 50 Ghana CD but then yan transport o mang chan kandam nada o to namle o ka so lack of funds and barama so ribiane on nanglala ba wistal dan launa kulan to nyang la gara nangle di che ka tuma tabjira na rokutu male little effect on each other but then the babam la match ngoma amma kan wondan ma February match ngoma den nan ka trana minere yanyala Falan in March Wischal in March then ma as promoted nim worship ten and min bazasa na kana anti balance be kata min ba tijine ne ta promote ba trana lehe ma wula katiyan nan to service so kam because money mime ya den de yitan nan kan tabanu mo focus but what about shading and distract man so if I'm promoting Fansegaram concert but promoter concert shall para do so but what man ne hit target man nko to share your attention at the end of the day ka baza sabanye ban bor share the tunin tzayin focus at the end of the day ko achieve tenang the shambara so when I'm promoting Makasu no one should come in the picture. When I'm done with him, Kaka cool fancy, I'm doing for fancy. No one should come and interfere. Then when I'm doing for Falan, I'm doing for Falan. I'm not doing for anyone at that moment. Laka to channel. So when I'm Kamaraya, we shall 12, 2 weeks in March. Falan never date. But dear Nyala first week, dear Nyala second week, Magba, dear Nyala third week, be last week, ba, dear Nal to me. To me shit the banana to one for the when I'm going to the market, Scandan comes as for Wisja, Karana, Kandilan Karokun, Ankara for Falan. Then Sula moment, my trapul lehmea, the men disaster being non tamalama becker, not to Malay effect Piala on each other. Just as a very clear example is Fancy Garam One Dawn concert. It's Rahim, Lions, King, then Sapono Swahara. Drama let effect on each other. How? Now, Fancy Gadam Yala artist, Mukutoji Leher Beba Pre is Rahim, who Malishu, who better energy, who better massive support and promotion. Twama. Then Nanko many Beba per Urat Mulushu, Kabeba per Rahim Bamulushu. Drachamea, who Kwang is Rahim then Ma Pusto. Kapapo who was a Goyalea, no Denma Nanya Ben Shishel the Musu, to share is Rahim Kappa. So Obeshe Rahim Kappa Mahale, Nala Pukum Yalan and Nage, meanwhile desired up 1 week interval Daniela and made for them. So they affect the letter promotional wise and Barama. When you are promoting, Kapostomo Kara, Nebeda Himna Karatoba Kapostomo, you are confusing the people. Fancy didn't do that, and that was right decision for him. So then Nage is asanya update, Beba provide him the matter now. So Ladakati Yarma, to buy your promoters, to what be to ye, the Zayan kana 1 month, Rana Mala the headache. All the face I done to Kujimaka, the Dons of better announcing, no 20 see, the Dons in say Northerner took to you. So now March. Tenda jia sahasha, but I have a land of a United States to consider cat changes all. To me, no nang mistake carry April show kutunang bukon, no luar na yale. So she ko nang le match me ko he, Catalonia nai, last week, Mammy Yala 20 sieve, because 20 sieve. The Donzi in last week, so now Falan now have only 2 options. O general follow we shall dapsele and Tamale here. They make to follow the Donze dapsele because the Donze and Nangla Bokum Miko Bay Nama. So 20 is off. Last week is off. Opamala either a week before we shall them. Be we shall them week man 12 can win Zambia Akara. which it will be hard because he will be built to perform a whistle show. Be could be 10 week. Then you somewhere around 15 for somewhere like that. You see, you can help me with the mathematics. So she will go affected. Who is living for the other? And Bokum Nama, Yirma, Yaba Bamba, Karaman Kama Fansin and Nama, Kamaka Cham to February, and Tenna. You don't see dweller. Kabeba pre Falan dweller, Babani Yabulan one, but my lover and a very Pia Lada. Tamimi, Nerena. La has shown a muy chances for Bokum, which you are going to do anyway. One hour program, Karahimba Bondo joining. As my suggestions and clash of shoes, clash of concepts. Our people that we shouldn't sleep. Let's see what I want. Zanga Malaysia and Zantatana comment box map. What do you think should be done? Do you think Falan should postpone his? Do you think the Donze should postpone his? And do you think it is right? Nabazari Nangale match lala. When we still also has a concert in Aliu Mama Sports Stadium on the 12th of La March, man. Give us your view. So I Hassan don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. We out.
Video, guys, and do not forget to click on the red subscribe button and also on the bell notification icon for more updates. Follow us on social media: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Please share this video with your loved ones and friends. Thanks.